If you have good guidance, you can have a good quality career. That's for sure. For that purpose, we are here and we have gathered here to know about what can be done in the field of science. As you know that 21st century is the field of science and technology. So we must know about our career properly. Do you all want to know about career properly? Yes, I cannot hear you properly. Say loudly. Yes. Good. That's why we are here. And today is a great moment for all of us that students will be presenting you with the career options that we have after plus 2 in science field. So let us begin. This is a session that is not by me, that is not by you, that is by students and for students. That's the beauty of this particular session, as we have already done other sessions. So I hope you will enjoy it. But before we start, we have some questions in our minds. Okay, when we get up in the morning, we have a question. We have to go to school. Are we ready to go to school? And are we ready to have one test that is there for any particular test? Okay, so you are there for testing your abilities every time. It means you have different kind of questions that are coming across your mind. So there are some questions that would definitely have started coming in your mind. Those are related to your career. Will I be able to get success? Have you ever countered that particular question? Can any one of you please tell? Have you ever countered that question? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, every day almost. It's not the matter of choosing a particular career, it's the matter of only a small and subtle thing that you do in your life every day. So that question is there, will I be able to get success in that particular work that I am doing? So what is the answer? The answer is you have to plan properly, you have to have counseling, you have to have proper guidance for that, and then you will get the answer in a structured manner. Am I confident enough? That's also a question. Am I confident enough to do whatever I have chosen? To do whatever I want to do in my career? Next one is, do I have proper resources? That's a very important question. Really important. Okay. Resources doesn't mean that you have the resources in terms of money, in terms of the resources that you get from parents, but the resources mean that you intrinsic values that you have to achieve something in your life. So that's a very common question. What is the answer to that one? Once again, proper guidance and hard work. Do I have proper resources in terms of study material? That's also a very obvious question and related to this particular one. That is also very important. Suppose you are preparing for any particular test. You must know about that particular field, and the study material also matters a lot. If you don't have the quality study material, will you be able to get success? I don't think so. Okay. And the most important and inevitable question is, am I happy in doing that course? That's really important. Sometimes we are told that our parents are saying that you have to choose this one. In the evening, in the morning, they will say you have to choose this particular career, that one, and you are a bit baffled, confused about that. Okay. So in the end, you have to ask yourself, sit down, take a deep breath and ask yourself, am I happy in doing that particular course that I have chosen? Or am I happy in choosing that particular course as a career? You have to find the answer yourself. For that, you need to have good decision making. Next one is, what if I fail to achieve the desired result? That's also a kind of situation which is tricky and full of dread or fear for all of you. Do you face this question? Yes. But before facing this question, shall we not be ready with our plans and strategies rather than wasting our energy in understanding that sort of question? Yes, we must have a plan. we must do that in an executive manner. Next one is, what will my parents and relatives say about my choice? That's a question that we raise ourselves. And that's the kind of question that lands us in social phobia. For no means, that's something that is imaginary that we create. Your relatives are coming to your home and they haven't yet reached, but still you are thinking about one question, that they might be asking us about the result. They might be asking us about our career options. They might be asking us about our success. Whether they would ask or not, but still you feel like that. That's something that we create ourselves, and all these questions are absolutely meaningless for you. Okay, so positive frame of mind must be there. Okay, decision making. What should I choose? What is my choice? Know about that. For that you have to talk to yourself. Talk to yourself, analyze yourself, and find out the best answer that you can have. For that, hobby is the best answer. Convert your hobby into your passion and then into your profession. What is my passion and skill? That's what you have to decode. If you are passionate about doing something in your life in the field of science, and somebody is saying that you have to choose another field, then you will be reluctant. Oh no, that's something forceful that has been given to me. What is my strategy? That is very, very important for all of you. Isn't it? If you know about that particular course, you have to have a plan and strategy to implement, to know about that in depth. Now, the moment has come, the prestigious moment where students are there for you, students are there to guide you. We have this career counseling guidance by students of class plus 2. We are beginning with girls, Ravneet Kaur and Rajni from class plus 2 science, as they will be guiding you about the career choices. Not only class plus 2, but class plus 1 students will be guided. Welcome both of you. All together.
Type of courses that you can choose after plus 2. For example, electrical, mechanical, civil, engineering, chemical technology, dairy and food, textile, leather.
Artificial intelligence is a discipline that focuses on enabling machines to develop the same intellectual capabilities as humans. It is the process of making intelligence artificially. It means making machine more intelligent. It is of two types, based on capacity and based on work efficiency. AI can do the work as human beings. It is, on the other hand, robotics is the science of designing and building robots physically to improve automation and innovation. And you all know AI and robotics is the future of our country.
Do you know anything about electrical engineering? Do you know?
No.
Electrical engineering is the field of engineering concerned with the study, designing and the use of appliances and equipment which use any form of electricity. Therefore, it also includes electromagnetism.
You have already listened about robotics. And robotics is a branch of engineering and computer science that involves the conception, design, manufacture and operation of robots. Operation of robots means how to operate robots. The objective of robotic field is to create intelligent machines that can do the job as human beings. And we know that in India, robotics has already been introduced.
As here you see, here is a mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is one of the broadest engineering disciplines, offering opportunities to specialize in areas such as robotics, aerospace, automotive engineering, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, biomechanics and more. Mechanical engineers design, develop, build and test to make sure that they function according to the design.
BTech IT. IT stands for Information Technology, and you know IT is the India is the hub of IT. BTech IT is a 4-year bachelor's degree course in information technology that teaches about computer-based system and covers both hardware and software components of a computer system. It involves software development, database administration, network security, cyber security, web technology. You can do BTech IT specialization in IT management, web technology, mobile technology, and Internet of Things.
Do you know about chemical engineering? If no, let's learn. What is a chemical engineering? Chemical engineering is a discipline influencing numerous areas of technology. In broad terms, chemical engineers conceive and design processes to produce, transform and transport materials, beginning with experimentation in the laboratory, followed by the implementation of the technology in full-scale production.
One can take applied component subjects like biotechnology, horticulture, marine science, environmental science, food production, preservation and post-harvest tech, fishery biology, etc. Now we will talk about these courses in detail. Biotechnology. Now what is biotechnology? As its name, it is the mixture of biology and technology. In its broadest definition, biotechnology is the use of advances in molecular biology for applications in human and animal health, agriculture, environment, and especially biochemical manufacturing. Before knowing about bioinformatics, let us talk about its history. Human Genome Project, which was started in 1990, became such a mega project which leads to formation of a specific branch of biology called bioinformatics. It is an interdisciplinary field of science that develops methods and software tools for understanding biological data, especially when the data sets are large and complex.
Microbiology. Microbiology is the study of the biology of the microscopic organism, viruses, bacteria, algae, fungi, slime modes, and protozoa. The methods used to study and manipulate this minute and mostly unicellular organisms differ from those used in the most other biological investigations. The next one, forensic science. What is forensic science? Forensic science is the use of the scientific methods of the expertise to investigate crimes or examine evidence that might be presented in the court of law. Forensic science comprises a diverse array of the disciplines from fingerprint and the DNA analysis to anthropology and wildlife forensics.
Mechanical, technical or diagnostic tests in a scientific settings. They often conduct scientific research under the supervision of senior technicians, pathologists and scientists. Now the question arises, what is pathologist?
Pathologist. A pathologist studies fluids, tissues or organs taken from the body. Pathologists often work with the surgical removed sample of diseased tissues called a biopsy. The pathological examination of an entire body after death is called an autopsy. Pathologists are often involved in the diagnosis of illness.
Now medical and paramedical science courses. For first 5 courses, you have to score some marks in a NEET postgraduate exam. These courses are MBBS. After pursuing this course, you can do specialty after giving NEET undergraduate MD and MS in various doctor fields like cardiologists, neurologists, and more. BHMS BAMS. BAMS is a course by which you can become an Ayurvedic doctor, which is very demanding nowadays. BUMS and BDS. BDS is a course which you can opt for becoming a dentist. Veterinary science and animal husbandry, physiotherapy.
Like other nuclear medicine technology, respiratory therapy, prosthesis and orthotics.